Wow, this place is huge. It's one of the most valuable and the biggest cultural park in Taiwan. And the park is so big that you even have to take the tour bus inside. This is like, I don't know, this is not even a park. I think this is like a valley. This is huge, this is massive. Wow, look at the view.
If you want to learn about the many indigenous communities in Taiwan and understand their differences, then I highly recommend paying a visit. The park showcases 16 different cultural traditions. Through guided tours and activities, you can learn the traditional costumes and wisdom of Taiwan's indigenous peoples. For all activities, there are instructors on hand to provide guidance and explain their significance and symbolic meanings.
Alright, I'm gonna give it a try. Wow. Slate. After the private tour, I want to explore the park by myself. And it was really hot outside. When I entered the Slate House, it's much colder. Isn't that amazing? You will also notice the entrance is quite low. There are two reasons for that. First, it works as a protection against the enemy back in the days. And second, because it's really low, so you have to bow your head when you enter to show the humility and respect as a guest.
Besides preserving tradition, the park's exhibition hall also hosts special exhibitions by contemporary artists who incorporate indigenous elements into their works. After a day of exploration, there's also a space to relax and appreciate art.
With so many attractions, if you ever come, I would suggest a longer stay. But unfortunately, we only have 24 hours. Let's move on to our next destination.